We received so many questions from you regarding real estate in North Cyprus, but today, instead of me talking again about it, let's go directly to the source, to one of the best construction companies on the island. And why? Because one of the things, their hospitality. Thank you. Let's go talk to one of the sales managers to answer all of your questions today. Hello, darling.
Hi, Victoria.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
You? I'm fine, I'm fine. So,
Welcome.
Yes, welcome, thank you. How are you today?
Oh, it's a bit hot, but it's fine. You know?
Cyprus, it's Cyprus.
Yes, true.
Helen, we came today here because we would really like to know about your new project, K Island. First question is, I think we received a lot. How did you come up with such an exotic and such a beautiful concept, which basically we never saw before?
And I hope we will not see in the future. Actually, we have lots of experience. As you know, our company has been built here in Cyprus for the past 20 years, and we have lots of completed projects. And we are thinking about how we can create something really unique with no any competitors and something really fabulous. So that's how it comes up with K Island.
Yes, I think if people see the pictures, this is immediately something. If I would see it on a booking website, it draws your attention so much, and I think this is one of the biggest benefits, right? What are the things which you consider for investors, let's say, when they're investing particularly into this project?
What do you mean?
Let's say the concept is really nice, but apart from that, what attracts investors particularly into this project? Is it the uniqueness, just the uniqueness of the project, or is there more?
Of course, no, not only uniqueness. Also, we have our management company. We will running out all the site. We will taking care all the bookings. You know, we have a company which is really, again, unique because we have lots of experience in a rental company. So we can even sometimes promise good rental return. And also in the future, if you're thinking to resell those properties and gain capital growth appreciation, there's gonna be no competitors at all.
Yeah.
And inside of the project, you will not compete with lots of similar properties because they have lots of different type of properties. And let's say now we have a loft property, so it's full story with a really beautiful rooftop terrace with swimming pool, with barbecue and shower. And as you know, the government is forbid such a type of property here for now.
Exactly.
We still have a permission. So in the future, it's going to be not only the project unique, but the specific type of the property.
Yeah. And this, what you mentioned before, you have the rental company, and obviously you have already the numbers because you have another project which is already operating for how many years?
8 years here in Cyprus.
Yes, so you have already numbers ready on how much the passive income was for the investors, how much the capital gain, and so on, right?
Yeah, normally we have all the statistics based on our old project, and it's still beautiful project which is called Thalassa Beach Resort. And capital growth appreciation, I think it's normally in Cyprus based not only in our statistics. In general, it's from 15 to 20% yearly. And if we are talking about rental, so normally based on our statistic again, it's from 10 to 15. But I always said we can't promise 10 to 15. We can promise from, let's say, 5 to 7. But sometimes it can be with this project, I think even 15% yearly.
Yeah, you have your past results. We can promise for the future, but at least you have already the experience, which is very, very beneficial. We are now sitting here in front of the land of K Islands, and okay, for us, maybe it's easy to visualize how it is, but maybe for the people it's a little bit different. Do you have any tools to help us visualize how the project will look like?
We have lots of tools. We can drive to the beach and see this amazing beach cove, sandy beach cove, by the way. And we also have 3D tool and 3D VR, so everything.
This about the VR, we would like to see it in person if it's possible. Can we go check it out, the VR?
Yes, of course.
Yes?
Let's go. Yeah.
Perfect.
Hi.
Hi.
Again.
Let me check this beauty. How does it work?
So listen, you will see how it's works. Just
I put the goggles on. Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a Harry Potter wand here. What is
So
this?
this is the trigger. This one only.
Yeah.
So you now on the drone.
Ooh, I'm very high.
It is. You can turn right, left, but not move from there.
Oh wow.
The land is amazing.
I see the mountains, sea. What amazing views. It's a little bit scary though. Very, very high. How do I go down?
So you can shoot to the white circles.
Okay. Pew, pew. Shoot. I'm shooting.
And now
Wow. Oh wow.
On the island. This is the first island.
Yeah.
And you can see the idea. It's to create artificial beach. It's actually natural sand, but it's based on the concrete and fixed by epoxy. So it will feel like you walking on the real sand, but it will not stick on you. And yeah, the kids will not bring it home, and all the environment will remind you like a real tropical islands.
I see.
You can see the oasis, and inside the oasis.
Oh my God!
Those, yeah.
I'm standing in the pool. Yeah.
Be careful! Don't jump.
No. I will not. Although with the heat now, I would like to jump. This is so stunning. Wow! I'm like in a jungle.
It is. For someone, it reminds like a Bali style, and we have maybe Seychelles, Mauritius. It depends which imagination you have.
My imagination is very wide, Helen, especially with this man here who's standing.
Okay, listen, you can swim in those lagoons, and they have shallow space for kids.
Wow.
So it's still, like a swimming pool, but really looking like a lagoon.
And I see here, under the building, there are some facilities, right?
Of course, we have extra, floor, and underneath gonna be all the facilities, such as indoor swimming pool with a heated swimming pool, also different type of, gym, sauna, hammam, many other things, and also we concentrate on a business center. It's for those who traveling and working at the same time. We also have a stable connection here, internet connection, if you notice. So we will implement the Starlink internet as well in K Island. And we will have also this kids club, many other facilities, indoor, outdoor facilities, like platform for yoga, platform for meditation, platform for watching the sunset, by the way.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, here we have an amazing sunset in Tatlusu. Yeah. And I always said it costs you 2 million, but you can purchase only for 200.
Absolutely true. Helen, I cannot not mention this. Look at this. What is this pools on top of the roof?
Yeah, this is the private swimming pool with glass partition. And it's really unique because now if you would love to create something familiar, you can't do it because it's really, it's really expensive. And you can see this is kind of, Laguna bar, and it's covered by beautiful waterfall.
Amazing. So I can relax here. My child can play in the playground, and my husband can go work. Yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, nice. Oof, I'm in another pool.
Yeah.
How many pools here are?
Lots of pools, lots of lagoons, and also if you want some privacy, it's again private rooftop terraces with swimming pool and without swimming pool.
I can go up, yeah?
Yeah, and the super amazing view. Now you're on the rooftop terrace.
Oh, yeah, I see. Wait, let me turn. It's a little bit scary. Am I not touching you anything? So this is the terrace. Wow. So you have your own barbecue area, terrace.
Kitchen, shower, and swimming pool. There's a glass partition.
Yeah, I will not dare to jump here off, but and look at this view. Wow.
And
This
apart
is-
from the amazing view on the islands, you will see the sea, you will see the mountain. So yeah, super.
Unbelievable. Wow. Thank you so much, Helen, for this amazing experience. I'm a little bit dizzy from all these beautiful scenes. This is amazing. This is really, if you cannot visualize something, this is the perfect thing.
Now
how
you can
to do.
imagine what we will
Absolutely. Absolutely. This is worth every penny, not only for the sea view, but just in general, the whole infrastructure of the project. It's amazing. Helen, thank you so much for your hospitality. Thank you for showing us this amazing project. I think the viewers got really a candy for their eye, and we will see you very soon with customers then.
See you soon.
Thank you. Guys, if I'm telling you that this is the most unique project on the island, then you saw it now with your own eyes. So if you want to get more information about this, send us a DM and comment down below.